Alright, hey you guys, it's Anissa. So today's video I'm going to be talking about the Denman brush. I know I'm late. So it was like years ago. I always see like Denman brush videos on my recommended page, and I don't know, I just never was interested in it. It just seemed like a brush. Basically, it's supposed to help clump your curls and help you get more definition with your hair. And honestly, I don't even struggle with that really. So I'm just curious to see if that'll actually work or if it'll make my hair look any better. Today I was in the bathroom and I actually saw my sister had one, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. So this is actually my sister's Denman brush, and I'm actually going to try it out today for you guys for the very first time. So if you guys are interested to see what my final thoughts are on the Denman brush, just keep on watching. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower, did my regular curly hair routine. I didn't do anything different because I really want to see if it actually makes a difference with like my texture, or like if it makes my hair shrink up more. So I did the exact same curly hair routine, wash and go, that I usually do. I'm gonna start with a little section on the bottom. I already detangled my hair in the shower, so it shouldn't be too tangled, so I'm just gonna start brushing it from the bottom. I haven't really watched any videos about a Denman brush in a while, so I don't even know if there's like a certain way you should do it, but I'm just gonna start like this. Oop. Here I'm talking about no tangles. There's already a tangle for a section. Okay, there you go. So I'm just gonna brush this section out. I mean, I'm not seeing any difference right now. It just feels like a regular brush. I don't know if I should do like one curl by one curl. Oh my gosh, I need a clip or something. Try and scrunch it maybe? Is that what I'm supposed to do? Brush and scrunch? I guess it's getting curly now, so I'm just gonna try that. I'm just gonna brush and scrunch. And I'm gonna split this into as well, since like it's the front of my hair, so I'm gonna do the actual front piece by itself. So right now it is like the tangles I do have in my hair coming out really easily. It's not like pulling my hair or anything, so I like that. But I don't know if it's gonna actually like make a difference, just because I don't know, my curls look the same. But I usually do not brush my hair when I get out of the shower at all. I brush my hair in the shower, then I just finger detangle the rest of the way, because I'm like finger detangling my products in. So I'm interested to see, like, because my hair usually shrinks up a lot when I detangle it out of the shower, so I'm excited to see like if that's gonna happen or not. Probably is, that's fine. As long as my hair is healthy, I don't care about shrinkage. Okay, so you all see the difference between the sides? I can't really tell right now, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do this other side. I can't tell if it like looks different or not. I'm just gonna scrunch it up a little bit. I usually scrunch my hair anyway, so maybe this will like help lock it in. I don't know. Okay, so this is the back. So I can't turn completely around because I'm on a tear. Okay, so I'll check back in with you guys when my hair is completely dry. So it takes a couple hours for my hair to dry, so I'll check in with you probably later tonight. But yeah, so I feel like the brush, it just feels like a regular brush to me. I feel like my hair didn't really curl up more than it usually does when I brush it out of the shower, which I haven't done in years. So yeah, my hair literally just looks the same, but we'll see when my hair dries if it makes a difference. Also, I don't know if I did it right because I've never done this before, so maybe I should do like a different routine, like watch some routine videos. So go ahead, comment down below if you guys have any suggestions when you're using a Denman brush, because I haven't used it before. And I don't know if I should like maybe do smaller sections, go curl by curl, like I don't know, maybe not scrunch my hair next time. So let me know down below. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys once my hair is completely dry. Okay guys, it's a while later, and if you guys can hear stuff in the back, don't mind that. I have family home, but this is what my hair is looking like. I don't know what happened right here. It's like all frizzy. I don't know, but I think I can fix it, don't worry. Here's my curls. I feel like it did clump them together. Like, look at this. Usually my curls aren't this like clumped, but yeah, I think it actually did clump them together more than they usually are. See, look, you can see how like the definition looks really defined. Honestly, I feel like it didn't cause any shrinkage. Like, my hair looks the same length as it usually does. I don't know what's going on right here. Like, it's so frizzy on the top. Like, it just, oh, look at it. I just want to grab it. This is the back. So I feel like it did overall like clump more curls together than usual. Like, there's bigger curls in here. Like, this curl is pretty big. Since the top doesn't look good, I'm actually going to change it to a side part, so hopefully it makes it look a little bit better, so I don't have to like redo my whole wash and go. So I'm just going to like flip my hair over. Oh, why do I feel tall? I'm just gonna flip my hair over, see if it makes it look any better. Start splitting these big curls up just to see what they look like. And to split my curls up, I'm actually gonna start using argan oil to help split up my curls so I'm not causing any more frizz than I already have. And this is the spray one, so I'm just gonna spray some on my hands. This and my fingers help split these curls apart. Where'd that big curl go? This is the big boy. Okay, it's a little tangled on the bottom, so let's see. This is what my hair is looking like. I split up all like the really big curls, and I'm trying to get it to a side part, but you guys know, like, once you do your hair in a certain way, it usually wants to stay that way. So I'm just gonna do my baby hairs really quick and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so this is the final results. I separated all of the big curls and I'm actually loving it. Like, it's like the perfect amount of volume. I did have to like wet the pieces on top a little bit because you guys saw how frizzy it was and like it just didn't look right. So I did have to wet my hair a little bit, but it came out pretty good. So actually, I'm not mad at it. I kind of like the Denman brush. Where's it at? Yeah, I kind of like this brush. I mean, I'm gonna for sure have to use it again, and for sure gonna have to like find out my own routine. If I should do different sections or brush it more, brush it less. I for sure gonna have to like do some trial and error stuff with it. But I like it. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Today is a good hair day. And honestly, I'm really surprised that it didn't give me any shrinkage. Like, my hair still looks pretty long, pretty lengthy if you ask me. Is the back. Okay, so the Denman brush is a yes for me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below any advice you have. If you have used the Denman brush before, let me know what you guys do, or recommend me any videos I should watch. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.